Today, I'm going to show you something extremely powerful and honestly quite mind-blowing, a method that allows you to edit any text inside any Android application, directly inside the app itself. No screenshots, no Photoshop, no image editing, you will be editing the actual interface in real time. This video is purely for educational purposes, and by the end you'll understand exactly how it works, why it works, and how you can try it out for yourself if you choose to. Most people online, when they want to fake or modify text from an app, usually take a screenshot and then edit the image. But that always looks fake, the fonts don't match, the spacing feels off, and you can always tell it's not the real thing. But imagine tapping a button or a label inside a real app, and instead of taking a screenshot, a pop-up appears showing the exact text you just tapped, and you can change it on the spot. And when you click apply, the new text shows instantly, as if that's what the app was originally built with. It's clean, it's accurate, and it looks completely native. To do this, we'll be using a powerful tool called AnyText. This tool allows you to modify TextView elements inside Android applications. If you're not familiar with text views, they're simply the components that display text inside apps, things like labels, buttons, descriptions, menus, balances, usernames, almost anything that's written inside an app. With AnyText activated, whenever you tap on a piece of text, a small pop-up window appears showing the exact text value. From there, you can simply type in whatever you want, press apply, and the app will instantly update the text visually. It's surprisingly simple, yet extremely powerful. Before we go deeper, it's important to mention that these changes are temporary. They do not modify the app permanently. The moment you close the application, refresh it, or reopen it later, all changes will disappear. Nothing is changed in the app's backend, nothing modifies your actual data, and nothing stays inside the app after it's restarted. This is purely for UI testing, for learning, for demonstrations, or for understanding how Android layouts work. I want to be very clear about that upfront. Now let's get into the setup process. To begin, open your LS-Post Manager. Inside LS-Post, go to the Modules section. For this demonstration, I already have the AnyText module installed. If you don't have it yet, I've placed a download link in the pinned comment below. I've also added my Telegram group link in case you need any support, guidance, or help with installation. Once you have the AnyText module installed, you simply need to enable it. Toggle it on, and from there, tap into the module settings and choose which apps you want to apply the text editing capability to. You can activate it for all your apps or just specific ones, depending on what you want to modify or test. For this demonstration, I'll select the Mobcache application. After selecting the app you want to edit, long press on that app inside LS-Post. A small pop-up menu will appear. Here, choose Re-Optimize. This step basically refreshes LS-Post so the module is injected properly into the app you want to modify. Once optimization finishes, long press the app once again and this time tap Launch. The app will now open with the AnyText module active. Now comes the fun part. Inside the app, simply tap on any text you want to change. It can be a title, a button, a label, a message, a balance, anything that's displayed as text. When you tap, a small pop-up window appears showing the exact text you clicked. You can delete it, rewrite it, replace it completely, or type anything you want. When you're done, press the apply, and the text updates instantly inside the app. The best part is that the original font is always preserved. There is no mismatch, no stretching, no weird formatting, the new text blends perfectly into the app's design. This method is incredibly powerful for UI designers, Android developers, testers, content creators, or anyone who wants to demonstrate an app interface with custom labels or explanations. It's also great for creating mockups or tutorials where you need the interface to show specific wording. Once again, everything you edit is temporary. Once you close the app or refresh it, the changes will revert back to normal. This keeps everything safe and controlled.